These days it's all about saving money and getting the job done right. Do you have a tree or shrub that needs to be trimmed? A lawn that needs to be raked? A koi pond that needs to be built? Do you just have a child's outdoor play system that you want to put in for the next spring or summer? We do any basic landscaping job here at Tony Lee Lawn and Tree. We also do other jobs, basic woodworking. So whatever your basic landscaping needs, call Tony Lee Lawn and Tree. We provide professional service at a reasonable price. At Tony Lee Lawn and Tree, we believe in saving you money. So call Tony Lee Lawn and Tree today, 208-515-0198. Call now and see about getting 20% off your first estimate. Again, that number is 208-515-0198. At Tony Lee Lawn and Tree, why pay the rest when you can afford the best?